So today I'm going to show you how to vault a Taproot Wizards on Emblem Vision. So first you're going to go to the website emblem.vision. You're going to click on collections and then find the Taproot Wizard selection. You're going to hit create vault and it's going to generate a vault for you on Ethereum. This process could take about 20 seconds, so please hang tight while it loads. Once you get your vault loaded, you will scroll down and see that there is a tap address. This is where you're going to send your Taproot Wizard to. So go head over to whatever wallet that you're using, send the Taproot Wizard in, and you're going to wait one block. As you'll see here, once the transaction has processed, you will see that the vault automatically updates inside. And for verification purposes, you could go to the Explorer and see the address, and you could compare it right here and to see that they both match up to show that your Taproot Wizard is indeed inside of the vault. So the minting process is quite simple. You're just going to go ahead and scroll up to the top and hit mint. You'll see that there is going to be two transactions, a gasless transaction and then a gas transaction. And this is what is going to mint your vault on Ethereum so that you can utilize your Taproot Wizard on ETH. You'll see here that the process is loaded. And once that loading screen is done, you're going to go ahead and hit refresh. And you'll see that your Taproot Wizard has been minted. On the left-hand side, you'll see options for marketplaces and loans, as well as trades. And you can go ahead and just click on OpenSea, and it'll take you directly to the page where you'll see your Taproot Wizard has been successfully loaded.